Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a couple things about our carrier that you may not be familiar with. One question that we get often is, what do I do with my dangling straps? Here is where I've already rolled one up, and I'm going to show you how to do that yourself. You're just going to simply take this strap, roll it like so, all the way up, and then it comes with a band, and you'll just pull that over the strap, and there you have it. And you can do that with the front and the back straps. Another cool thing we have is if you go ahead and unzip your carrier underneath the flap right here, you will pull out a sunshade. And you can simply pull that over your baby's head like so. And then this comes with 3 different adjustments, and you can snap them on the strap of the carrier. And that will protect your baby's head. And then when you're done using it, you can go ahead and roll it back in, stuff it back inside, and zip it up. Another part of our carrier that you may not be familiar with is our strap right here. In order to open this buckle, you simply lift the part that says Ergobaby and snap the side. And you can actually do it with one hand. You can lift and snap. And whenever you're putting it back on, just make sure that you always stick it through the safety loop. There's a safety loop wherever the straps are that detach, and you just want to make sure that you're always sticking it through there. There's also one on the back of the carrier as well, right here. And so whenever you're putting your carrier on, you want to make sure that you're always sticking it through the safety loop before you go ahead and put the rest of the carrier on. Hope you have a good day. Bye.